All right, we got your Builder Basic hollow core door that I just fixed. Can you see it? I can't see it. I'm gonna show you how I fixed it. Basically, we had a tear out in the bottom left-hand corner. I tried to paint it, it still looked bad. I just need to make it disappear. This is how I did it. Okay, these doors are light, easy to remove. I take it outside. I'm gonna be using some of this equipment here. Bondo is basically what I'm going to use to fill that. I clean the area out a little bit, and then I use painter's tape because I do not want to get Bondo on the rest of the door. You just don't want to sand all over the place. And I'm using obviously my razor blade to cut off that area. Next, I'm using two-sided tape to put those shims on. That's going to help define that corner and give me a little bit of a pit to put this Bondo in. I've got this old Bondo that actually ended up working, but that's what happens when you put it in the garage. Use just a dollop in there. I let this set for 24 hours. I fill in that area. Then I remove those shims. I remove the tape. And this is actually the next day. I start sanding. Again, I put some more tape down because I don't want to ruin the rest of the door. I use the 120 grit initially. That'll help get it down. And then 220 allows me to get a little bit smoother there. Okay, I use some quick drying spray on primer initially. I let that dry. I don't want it to go all over the place. Hit it with some more sandpaper, and then I hit it with that paint, and this is pretty much done. Perfect job? Probably not, but I don't have to buy a new door. Nobody's gonna notice this. All right, let's see if you can see it. Okay, I get it. If you were staring at this, you're gonna see a little bit of a difference, but if you're casually walking back and forth, you're never going to see this. So that's it for this edition of How To Q. We're done.